Food is one of the strongest industries globally because demand never disappears. People eat every day. Packaged food consumption is rising, and private labels are replacing big brands in local markets. With modern food machines, you don't need a factory or huge staff. You can start from a home or small workshop, sell locally, supply restaurants, and slowly build a scalable brand. If you're looking for business ideas you can start right now, these machines are built exactly for that future. Chocolate remains one of the most profitable food categories due to gifting culture, premium snacks, and customization demand. This fully automatic chocolate-making machine is built for serious production and often supports capacities up to 3,000 kilograms. Made with food-grade stainless steel and operating on a 220-volt system, it features a touchscreen panel that controls melting, mixing, tempering, and molding with high precision. Many suppliers offer full customization, mold design, and multi-year warranties, which reduces long-term risk. Priced around $19,000 to $20,000, this machine allows you to produce consistent chocolate bars, bonbons, and branded treats at scale. By selling premium or personalized chocolates to retailers, events, and corporate clients, businesses can achieve strong margins and repeat bulk orders. This machine turns creativity into a scalable, high-value chocolate brand. Nut butter products are growing fast due to health awareness and fitness lifestyles. This automatic nut butter maker grinds peanuts, almonds, or cashews into smooth or crunchy paste while preserving natural oils and flavor. Built with stainless steel and continuous grinding capability, it produces uniform batches without overheating. Its compact size makes it ideal for home-based or small workshop setups. Investment is relatively low compared to other food machines, allowing faster break-even. Entrepreneurs typically source raw nuts in bulk and sell branded jars through gyms, grocery stores, cafes, and online subscriptions. Because nut butter has repeat buyers and long shelf life, this business benefits from recurring income. With simple branding and consistent quality, many small producers scale quickly from local sales into regional distribution. The ready-mix spice business is booming because home cooks and restaurants want consistency, speed, and authentic flavors. A ready-mix spice packaging machine allows you to blend, weigh, and pack spices like biryani masala, chicken curry mix, or barbecue rubs into professional sealed packets. These machines are usually compact, stainless steel, and semi-automatic or automatic, making them suitable for home or small factory setups. The real advantage lies in branding and formulation, not heavy manufacturing. Raw spices are affordable when sourced in bulk, while finished spice packets sell at high margins. Entrepreneurs sell through grocery stores, restaurants, online marketplaces, and local distributors. Because spices have long shelf life and repeat demand, profits scale steadily. This machine turns simple ingredients into a powerful FMCG brand with recurring monthly sales. Soft-serve ice cream is a high-margin food business with universal appeal. This machine features rapid cooling, stainless steel construction, and automated mixing to deliver smooth texture consistently. Many models support multiple flavors and fast dispensing, allowing high sales during peak hours. Ice cream sells exceptionally well at events, tourist areas, cafes, and busy streets. With moderate investment, entrepreneurs can start small and expand into carts, kiosks, or shop partnerships. Because ingredient costs are low compared to selling price, daily profits can be significant in high-footfall locations. Seasonal spikes further boost earnings, making this machine popular among small vendors aiming for fast returns and scalable expansion. Processed meat demand continues to rise due to convenience foods and fast-service restaurants. This sausage-making machine automates filling and clipping, ensuring uniform size, hygiene, and speed. Built with durable stainless steel components, it supports different casings and meat blends. Small producers use it to supply local hotels, butcher shops, street vendors, and frozen food sellers. Automation reduces labor costs while increasing output consistency, which is essential for bulk orders. Many entrepreneurs begin with local supply and gradually expand into packaged retail products, turning this machine into a long-term income asset. Corn-based foods remain staples across many regions, making corn processing a stable business. This heavy-duty corn grinder machine is designed for high output and long operating hours, available in electric or diesel options for flexibility, reducing labor and improving daily capacity. Small producers use this machine to supply fresh corn flour to households, bakeries, food vendors, and local shops. The machine allows you to control quality, pricing, and supply, which helps secure long-term buyers. This business focuses on volume and reliability, making it ideal for entrepreneurs seeking stable cash flow rather than trend-based sales. Sauces are one of the fastest-growing food categories globally, driven by fast food, cloud kitchens, and home cooking trends. A special sauce and mixer machine is designed to blend, emulsify, and heat sauces like mayonnaise, chili sauce, garlic sauce, pasta sauce, and burger dressings with uniform consistency. Built with stainless steel tanks, temperature control, and high-speed mixing blades, it ensures hygiene and repeatable quality. Small producers use this machine to supply restaurants, street food vendors, and bottled retail sauces. Ingredients are relatively low cost, while branded sauces command premium pricing. With consistent taste and attractive packaging, entrepreneurs quickly build loyal buyers. This machine is ideal for private label production and B2B supply, making it a strong profit engine with long-term growth potential. Burgers are a daily menu item for cafes, cloud kitchens, and fast food outlets. This burger patty maker machine automatically shapes meat or plant-based mixtures into uniform patties at high speed. Portion control ensures consistent cooking quality, which restaurant buyers value highly. The machine reduces manual labor and increases production efficiency. Small producers often supply fresh or frozen patties to local cafes and catering businesses. As demand grows, branded retail packs can be introduced. Because burgers sell in volume and reorder cycles are frequent, this machine supports steady income and scalable growth with minimal product variation. Pasta consumption is rising, both in restaurants and home kitchens. This automatic pasta maker produces consistent shapes like macaroni and penne with uniform thickness and texture. Built with stainless steel and designed for continuous operation, it supports fresh or semi-dry pasta production. Fresh pasta attracts premium pricing due to quality perception and local sourcing appeal. Entrepreneurs sell through restaurants, specialty stores, food markets, and online orders. Pasta's versatility and shelf life make it suitable for brand building and regional expansion. With proper packaging and flavor differentiation, this machine helps create a premium food brand from a small setup. Cookies are impulse products with constant demand across all age groups. This multifunctional cookie-making machine produces various shapes and sizes with consistent quality. Automation reduces manual effort and increases batch output, making it ideal for bakeries and home brands. Raw material costs are low, while selling prices remain attractive, creating strong margins. Cookies sell well in cafes, schools, offices, gift packs, and online orders. Seasonal flavors and festive packaging further boost sales. Many entrepreneurs scale quickly by supplying bulk orders to retailers and corporate clients while building a recognizable local brand. Coffee culture is expanding rapidly, driven by specialty cafes and home brewers. This coffee roasting machine allows controlled batch roasting, helping create signature flavor profiles. Fresh roasted beans command premium pricing compared to mass-produced coffee. Small roasters often start by supplying local cafes and gradually expand into retail packs and subscription services. Roasting your own beans gives full control over quality and branding. With consistent roasting and storytelling, coffee brands build loyal customer bases. This machine is ideal for entrepreneurs who value branding, repeat buyers, and long-term scalability. Potatoes are used in fries, chips, and prepared meals worldwide. This industrial potato peeler processes large volumes quickly, reducing labor and preparation time. Built with durable components and easy clean design, it supports continuous operation for commercial kitchens. Restaurants, cloud kitchens, and caterers prefer suppliers who deliver peeled or semi-processed potatoes daily. By supplying B2B clients, entrepreneurs secure repeat orders and predictable income. This machine is ideal for volume-based businesses focusing on efficiency rather than branding, making it a strong foundation for steady profits. Food businesses grow through consistency and distribution. Most successful entrepreneurs start by supplying local cafes, restaurants, grocery stores, and détours because they reorder every week. Product samples and reliable quality help secure long-term contracts quickly. Short videos showing production attract attention online and build trust. Profits come from volume, repeat demand, and reinvesting earnings into better packaging, more machines, or wider distribution. Which of these food machines has the biggest potential in your area? Comment below and tell me. Like, subscribe, and share, because your $1 million food business could start today.